Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna answer this question. Can Jasper AI write a book? Well, Jasper AI presents in a really good manner because, like, in the context of writing a book, this Jasper AI can really help you. Not because of its, uh, it's really ability to write a book, but it's more about that it has a lot of features created, and especially for those that are trying to write something article and or a book or different difference for social media for different cases, right? So I think Chess.AI can help you write a book. It's a bit expensive, but it can help you write a book because it was created that way, or it was created to serve this needs. Compare with ChatGPT, which is still good, but you're gonna have to do some testing right over there while using that AI. But here, I think Chess for AI can help you. Still have to do some work here as well. Won't give you the right thing right away. I mean, you have to test and experiment which, let's say, which chapter you like, which one you don't like. And so you have to try things as well. But I just see that it has more features, Jasper AI, that will help you to really truly articulate something nice and generate some content or a book that's something that you need, right? But yeah, I think it has, or furthermore, not only that it can help you write it, but also give you suggestions. So from this point of view, I think it will help you. Also, make sure you give me your own thoughts. I'd like to hear your own thoughts in the comment section. How you found Jasper AI? If you tested, please leave your comments down below. Maybe it will help others as well. Let's make the comment section a section for those that are curious to learn more about Jasper so we can learn from each other. So I really hope you found my video helpful. That's why I created this video to answer this question. I tested Jasper AI for writing book and it's good. It can help you definitely to write a book. So that's it. Thank you for watching and take care.